heaven. So right now I was thinking of something, but my mom won't do it. So I was thinking of like getting some cards and like for the world, like getting a pen and some cards, and kids should start learning and they could draw stuff so they could be better readers, so they could go to kindergarten and they know what to say at kindergarten. So I'm making sure kids know how to read and learn so I could run for president.